Hi, this is John from US Angler, and today I want to talk to you about how to rig a drop shot. It's one of the most effective finesse techniques for largemouth bass, and it really does help when you're fishing in high pressure situations, lakes that have been covered by tournament anglers, or if you're just having to follow behind a lot of fishermen. Alright, I'm at home now, and I want to talk to you for a second about drop shot rigging. The reason that it's so incredibly effective in high pressure situations is that it creates unbeatable action. It does this because it frees the soft plastic, whether that's a worm, a Senko, a craw, or anything else, to move naturally, providing it just amazing action. It also allows you to control exactly how far from the bottom you're presenting this lure to bass. So let me show you how to do this. You need a good hook. I prefer Gamakatsu, like plenty of other anglers, and I like to use a number 1. That's a relatively small bass hook, but it's ideal for drop shot rigging. You begin by tying a Palomar knot with a very long tag end. So I'm going to run my line through the eye of the hook. This is difficult and it's going to take a second. Okay, so the second step in tying a Palomar knot is to tie a simple overhand, like so, and then pass the loop completely over the hook. As always, you need to wet the knot before you cinch it down. What you'll have now is a well-secured hook with a long tag end. You need to pass that tag end a third time through the eye so that it's facing downward, like so. And what you'll end up with is a well-secured hook on your line with a long tag end. That's going to allow you to control exactly how deep you're fishing. You then attach a cylinder weight, and I like cylinder weights because they don't get stuck on the bottom as easily as other styles, and this one's designed with a clip that makes drop shotting very easy. So all I have to do is pass the line through that clip, secure it at the length that I want it, and I now have a drop shot rig that'll fish about a foot, maybe a bit more off the bottom. This is ready to attach a soft plastic to, and you're in business.